G'day. Oh, it's too hot for this. Stand by. Start that again, shall we? Oh, I've just been out and watched a movie today. It's been great. Anyhow, g'day to you. My name's Craig and I'm an Aussie right here in America. First time on this channel, then welcome. Don't forget, hit the little subscribe button down there and also the like button as well. That's the one with the thumbs up. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you all about my experience with a website called Rapidvisa. A quick disclaimer before I start. I don't work for Rapidvisa. I am a customer of Rapidvisa. I'm not an immigration attorney or an immigration lawyer in any way. What I say is my own personal experience and it's got nothing to do with the actual laws themselves, etc. You know what I'm talking about. It's just a disclaimer. This video is not sponsored in any way. This is my personal experience with website Rapidvisa, and I'll put a link in the description below, which again is not an affiliate link. It is just the link to Rapidvisa direct. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the types of visas that Rapidvisa deal with, also the timelines that are actually expected and the costs as well. Firstly, before we start with any types of visas themselves, let's start with Rapidvisa as a company and as a whole and what they do for you. Technically, Rapidvisa as a company helps you navigate the complex procedures from any type of immigration visa into the US. Now, they do charge a small fee for their service because technically they still are a business, but it is a very, very small fee compared to how much time, effort, anxiety, stress it will save you. Rapidvisa is just a company or a business. They have immigration lawyers and attorneys working for them, and they do have a call center as well, which you can call up and speak to someone directly. But predominantly, they are just like a go-between between you and the USCIS or immigration. They're like a middleman, basically. They make it so much easier for you to fill out paperwork to process through to the USCIS. At the same time, they check your paperwork before your paperwork goes to the USCIS. See what I mean? They're just a middleman. But so much stress and anxiety is relieved by using this particular company. I think the one thing I like most about Rapidvisa, it is plain and simple. Once you sign up with Rapidvisa, they give you full rundown, first name, last name, date of birth, the whole lot. So all you do is you fill out their online form. What that does is that online form then auto-populates the USCIS forms, which can be very complex and very hard to understand at times. Let's go through now and talk about the different types of visas. One of my favorite visas is this one here. It's the Fiance Visa. Why? Because that's one I came through, and the one I've used was the Fiance Visa. So you can see here the 6 stages of a Fiance Visa before the Fiance Visa is actually granted for you to come in is around 6 to 9 months at this point in time. It could be longer, it could be shorter. It all depends on USCIS at the particular time in which you are watching this video. So as you can see here, this is the cost. The cost themselves for a K1 visa, these here are directly off their website as of today's date, which is January of 2022. There's a standard package and there's a premium package. I personally went with a premium package for 2 reasons. Number one, they go through your paperwork with a fine-tooth comb and they make sure that there's no RFEs. RFEs are requests for more documents. They also give you a money-back guarantee. Now, there are regulations and terms and conditions which you can go through on their website to see those terms and conditions for the guarantee. But I'm telling you now, if it gets through them and it goes to the USCIS, you're pretty much guaranteed that you're going to be let through because they're the go-betweens. That's what you're paying some money, extra money for, is so they become your lawyers, they become your attorneys, they become the people who collate your paperwork for you. I'll tell you now, it's worth the extra money. As you can see, they also provide you a discounted package if you get the whole thing. So not just the K1 Fiance Visa, but the AOS, which is the adjustment of status. In other words, after you come to America, your K1's been approved, you come to America, you get married, you then got to file more paperwork for an adjustment of status, in other words, a green card. They give you a bundled package, which includes the K1 visa package. It includes the AOS package or your green card package as well. But what I love the most is that this here, it has a payoff system, like a monthly payoff system. You don't have to come up with the full money right there and then or at the start of the whole process. No, you can actually pay it off month by month. I think by memory that you have to have 2 months worth of payments before you can actually literally apply for the K1 and put it through. But after that, it's just monthly payments. It was so simple and so easy. I finished all my finances for the K1 and the AOS before I even got to America. So I had no more payments to pay out. even after I got married, the adjustment of status was all fully paid for and ready to go. Now, they don't just do K1 fiance visas, they also do spousal visas. Spousal visas are those visas where you're married. You're actually in a married relationship, whether you're married in your country or married in the US, either way you're married and you need to come to the US as a married couple, and that's a spousal visa or a CR1 visa it's classed as well. You can see right here, and again with their timelines, average 7 to 10 months for that particular visa, and the cost factor also has that basic package or the premium package. And I just saw as well, the cost factor also involves a payment plan system if you wish to go down that route. It just makes sense, honestly. The payment plans, I cannot speak highly enough of these payment plans. That makes it so much easier because you're forking out money left, right, and center for all these other things as well. Why would you want to fork out one lump sum payment there and then? It's not worth it in my mind. They also do IR5 and IR2, which are the parent visas and the child visas as well. And again, their costs are very, very good, I personally think, in regards to it. They do have the basic package and the premium, and again they have the payoff system as well. You can break it up as well, so you can have your K1 fiance visa and pay for that separately, get over here and then start your adjustment of status and pay for that separately as well. Obviously it's going to be cheaper if you combine the two all in one lump sum, but you can have it in two different lots. And again, the timeline with the adjustment of status is really amazing because they're saying on average between 10 to 12 months. And I know myself, it was a total of 8 months. So from the start of my adjustment of status to my green card being in my hot little hand, it was exactly 8 months for me. But as you can see, it doesn't stop there. If you lose your green card or if you have to renew the green card, they can do that for you as well. Or when it comes time for me personally, that's in 2 years. I have a 2-year green card with conditions. After those 2 years, again, Rapidvisa can and will help me with my removal of those conditions, and therefore an application for a 10-year green card I can apply for in 2 years' time. And it doesn't stop there. They can also help you with your naturalization or citizenship of the US. Obviously, that's going to be a little bit down the track in regard for me personally, but again, they can help you with the paperwork for it, and they give you timelines as well. At the moment, they're saying 7 to 12 months for citizenship or naturalization. And again, with the costs, they break it down from a basic package or their premium package as well. And you thought that's all that Rapidvisa did? No, they also do tourist visas. Now, coming from Australia, we're not required to do a tourist visa into the US. It's called an ESTA, and it's online already, and it's simple to fill out online. Costs you like $30 or something for an ESTA visa from Australia to the US. But there's other countries out there that are not part of that ESTA system or ESTA program, and therefore then they have to apply for a tourist visa. Now, if you're thinking about coming to the US and you can't apply for an ESTA, you can go through Rapidvisa for your tourist visa as well. So just to reiterate, you can go through rapidvisa.com is their website, or their phone number itself is +1 for the US, 800-872-1458. That's 800-872-1458. Let me reiterate, I am not being paid by Rapidvisa. I don't work for Rapidvisa. I am a customer of Rapidvisa and give this information of my own accord. So my opinion, is Rapidvisa worth it? 100%. Would I do it again? 100%. This is coming just directly from a happy customer of Rapidvisa. They are a fantastic company, well worth a little bit of extra dollars. It doesn't cost that much extra compared to the normal process. And as I said before, it alleviates a lot of stress, anxiety. It relieves paperwork for you, and they become the middleman of the process. Now, if you have any questions of me as an Aussie in America, or my visa experience, or anything at all, whether it be even food related, I don't care. Leave me a comment down below and I'll answer them as best I can. As I said before though, I'm not a lawyer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button if you haven't already hit it, and subscribe to this video if you've got this far through. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. I think it's going to be the next video, either there or there. I don't know which side, one of those. Go and see and watch the next video that YouTube tells you to watch, because it's YouTube and they're right. Thanks for watching.